We are right outside the Sushma Swaraj Bhavan, where shortly the all-powerful council meeting will begin. And in fact, the top of the agenda today at here we are where centre and state going to discuss on correcting the inverted duty structure. In fact, we have been reporting about that how some of the sectors are facing the inverted duty structure issues, where the raw materials are taxed higher compared to your finished good, and that is something where textile and fertilizer industry representative have been arguing about that how it is hurting their whole capital and reducing their competitiveness. So that is something they are going to discuss, and it's mainly stick to the structural reforms which they are going to talk about in as part of first list, you can say, in the meeting which shortly begin probably around 11 o'clock. And in fact, they are also going to discuss the classification dispute, especially in the services sector. As we know that at present, the services is in 12, 18 and 28%. However, there are a lot of dispute around given the kind of and the nature of services. For example, your hotel tariff, your air travel, be it economy or business class. So all that confusion will be taken up and could be resolved on the day one is what the indication we are getting. And of course, how to streamline the entire process, how to simplify the entire process, be it registration, be it refunds, and how to make it automated.
Are you expecting a lot of pushback from states? Because we know that some of the recommendations which have come from the GST Council, and states will be losing out on compensation cess, right? So is this going to be a very fraught kind of a meeting with a pull and push from both ends, or do you see a resolution coming fairly quickly?
See, when it comes to rate rationalization, of course, more or less the consensus is there, as states are in favor of reducing the rates. But as far as compensation cess is concerned, which they are talking about on certain items, 5 to 7 items to be precise, especially on the luxury cars, of course, the tobacco and cigarettes items are there in that list. But states wanted to have an additional levy over and above the special 40% rate which centre has proposed, and that is something they are going to discuss. And in fact, states have been pushing to have additional levy, and we need to know this point as well, that centre has the power to do some amendment in the excise duty as far as tobacco and cigarette sort of products are concerned. So we could also maybe hear from that aspect that whether there could be an additional levy which they have been talking about over and above the special rate of 40%, or they are going to increase the excise duty on certain items. For sure, they are going to discuss this, and this is going to be a contentious issue where states are kind of pushing to have additional levy, at least on the certain item, which includes your high-end car and high-end motorbikes.
Okay, so those are the sticking points. Taxes on high-end electric vehicles, high-end motorbikes, what happens to sin goods, where do they land up? All right, Shrimi Chaudhary is going to be getting us all of the exclusive details. First, of course, on NDTV Profit, so we look forward to hearing from her through the day.